What's going on over here? I think they're smoking drugs over here. There are children here. Is that your IQ? You have an IQ of 1?
Freedom of speech, man. Freedom of speech.
Thank you. Somewhere else, ma'am. Can you report somewhere else, please?
Is that your IQ? You have an IQ of 1?
There's other places to report. There's kids right here. They don't want to be in your video. Please report somewhere else.
You have seatbelts in there?
What?
You have seatbelts?
Yeah, why?
I don't see any
Why do
seatbelts.
you care? Why do you care? Why do you care? Why do you... He move? Move, sir, he's leaving. He move? You're here. Why do you care? Sir! Can you move?
Huh?
Can you move?
No.
What?
Oh, careful.
Can you move?
I'm in a crosswalk here.
What? Who you work for? You're on the street. You need on the
Do,
sidewalk.
do you have seatbelts?
Sir, who are you? Why?
I am me.
Huh?
I am me.
Why do you care? That's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, careful, my foot.
No, it's not.
Oh, my foot.
Why are you lying?
Come on, I'll race you. Oregon 170 QFP. Ni hao. Ni hao. What's the matter? You out of gas?
Out of gas. I want to give the push.
You out of gas?
Yeah, yeah.
Is the car broken?
Why do you care?
Hey kid, get off the truck. Oh, get off the truck. You're invading our personal space. Hey, get off the truck.
You like that? You like that?
Can you get off the truck? Can you get out of the truck?
Oh, you're too slow. Oh, you're too slow, you little fart.
There you go. I'll come up trying to give you a whole flight. Stay out from the face.
Get on the sidewalk. Get on the street.
Yes, dear.
Come on.
I know what that tattoo means. Washa. Bukachi. Let's check out where they sell the marijuana. And right across the street, they smoke the marijuana next to the children. This guy's in my crosswalk. This is the guy that chased me.
Right here, recording people. Slow, something. Get the fuck up out of here, man. 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 Go! Get out of here. Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Ooh.
Get out of here, weirdo. Get the fuck out of here.
He stole my hat. Can't run very fast. She stole my hat. Well, the police, not the police again.
People harassing people. People harassing people. Come on now, the police are coming, bro. Get out of here. The police are coming.
Well, if the police are going to be here, I have to stay here.
Get out of here, man. You keep hearing people harassing people. Get out of here.
I have to wait for the police.
Come on, get out of here then. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Why you sitting there recording people? You coming into like that and you want to start running away, man. See? Then you want to start running away. You little steady cat. You little get out of here, man. Get out of here, man.
Yeah, drug dealers don't like.
Fast forward just a second, here I was.
I'm getting too old for this. I better stay up here. I don't think the police are really going to come for the drug dealers, but you never know. This is Seattle. So right across the street is the guy that sells the marijuana. And this group here is smoking the marijuana right next to children. So they chased me up the hill. They couldn't run up the hill. This is the third time I've run up this hill. Need a new RPL, young. Perfect waves every time. Is that your IQ? You have an IQ of 1? Brainiac? Dajiahao. 大家好，你的帽子很可爱。你的帽子很可爱。Public. You know what that means? That means there's no privacy.